Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over my Walgreens haul for this week. We have a lot of really awesome deals. We've got freebies, glitches, and money makers. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other videos for you guys this week. So if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you down in the pinned comment below. And I also want to mention that I did upload a Walgreens video on Sunday for you guys with a run glitch. And as to my knowledge, that one is still working today on Wednesday. Plus in that video, I go over some clearance finds and a super easy money-making deal. So again, if you missed out on that one, make sure that you go and check it out. And it's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into my Walgreens haul so far this week. Now, before we get into the deals, I do want to say I did have quite a few hiccups with my deals this week, and unfortunately, it was human error. So, I want to go ahead and give you guys the heads up. That way you know when you go up to the register, you can check yourself if the Catalina machine is going to work, or at least if it's turned on. So number one, there should be a green light on your Catalina machine, and if there is a red light underneath that green light that is on, that means that it is out of ink. So I did have a couple of hiccups. Number one, on one of my deals, the Walgreens cash didn't come back to me on the Colgate deal, so they did have to credit me that. But again, they were having issues. I don't know what it is with this store, if it's just because we're way out in the boonies or what, but it's always something with this store. Now, on another transaction, on one of my spin deals, the register rewards didn't print off, and come to find out, it was because the Catalina machine was out of ink. Now, I'm really kind of getting aggravated with this store, because every time I go up to the register, I ask them, is the Catalina machine printing off today? Have you seen it print off anything today? And they always tell me, yes, everything's fine. Well, I went in the other day, grabbed a few clearance items, and then I did the Oral-B deal. Come to find out, on that first register, the Catalina machine wasn't even turned on, and it wasn't in a spot to where I could see if the green light was on or not. Well, whenever I went in yesterday, the green light was on, but there was also a red light on, and I didn't realize that that meant that the the Catalina machine will not print off anything because it is out of ink, and the employees are supposed to replace it. Now, another thing is, if they replace that ink right in front of you, go spend 10 minutes in the store walking around, do something else for 10 or 15 minutes, and let that machine catch back up. Because what happened with me was, I did a transaction, the register reward didn't print off, so there was like 2 or 3 people that went after me. I was going up to the register to do a spin deal, and those register rewards from like 3 transactions ago started printing off. So I do have to call Walgreens today and get that all sorted out, but I'm only missing 1 register reward, because when those register rewards printed off, instead of trying to figure it out, the manager was just like, oh, I've already given you Walgreens cash for that deal. She thought it was for the Colgate, but it was actually the register reward for the Irish Spring. So she ripped it up right in front of me and threw it in the trash. But it was actually for the Irish Spring, so I will be calling customer service about that. And then she also ripped up a spin booster as well. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to run through these deals as if we're doing them in separate transactions. That way you guys know the math if you want to put together your own little spin deal. And then at the end, I'm going to show you all the breakdown for what I did with my spin boosters, okay? So first up, we have the Colgate toothpaste. Now this is the one that I did not get my Walgreens cash back on it. If you scan this in the app, it does say buy 2, get back $4 on Walgreens cash, but that didn't happen. So I'm wondering if it's supposed to print off a register reward instead, if you do the deal in store. But again, I can't tell you guys one way or another, because that Catalina machine was out of ink. So anyways, the deal is pick up 2 of the Colgate toothpaste at $2.99. That's going to put your subtotal at $5.98. We have a $2 digital coupon that you're going to use. That's going to leave you paying $3.98, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, because this is a buy 2, get back $4 on Walgreens cash deal. And then you are actually going to submit your receipt to the Coupons app, and we have another $2 coupon on there. So since we're purchasing 2 Colgates, we're only using 1 digital on one of them, and then you can use that second digital from the Coupons app on the second one. So that's going to make your final price completely free plus a $2 moneymaker. So really good deal there. All right, next up, this is a transaction that I did just all on its own, but I did pick up 2 of the Complete Home 25 square foot aluminum foil. This is just something that we needed at the house, and these are on sale this week, 2 for $2, and I used $2 in Walgreens cash to pay. All right, now next up we have Irish Spring and Soft Soap body wash this week. All right, these are on sale for $4.99 each, so that's going to put your subtotal at $8.89. We do have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, as well as a 1 off 1 insert coupon, and that is going to leave you paying $5.98. You can use Walgreens cash to pay for this deal if you're doing it individually. You're going to get back a $5 register reward for purchasing 2. That's going to make your final price 98 cents for 2. All right, next up we have the Palmolive dish soaps. What you want to do is pick up 2 of them. There's the other one right there. So these are priced at $2.99. That's going to put your subtotal at $5.98. We do have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $5.48. And you're going to get back $3 in Walgreens cash when you purchase 2. Then you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app, because we also have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for that second Palmolive. So that's going to make your final price $1.98 for 2. All right, next up we have the Scott bath tissue and paper towel. These are normally priced at $5 each, but they're on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. So that's going to put your subtotal at $7.50. You want to pick up 1 of each. And we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon on the bath tissue, and then we also have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the paper towels. That's going to leave you paying $5.50 for 2. And don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, because we do have a 4,000 point bonus when you spend 20 or 25. I'll pop it up there on the screen for you guys. So make sure you're scanning in those receipts and you're tracking toward that bonus. All right, now next up, here is a new glitch going on at Walgreens, and as of yesterday evening, this was still working. All right, so we do have Dove body wash this week. They are on sale for $7 each. You can pick up the men's or the women's. Both are working with the glitch, but I'm going to tell you which deal that I did. So I picked up 2 of the men's, $7 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $14. I used a 4 off 2 paper coupon from the Unilever insert. That's going to leave you paying $10, but it's glitching just like the Oral-B and Crest did at the beginning of the week. By the way, I still think that glitch is a go, and it is going to print you off 2 $4 register reward. So you're getting back a manufacturer and a store register reward on the Dove women's and men's body wash. Okay, so check your accounts. If you don't have the insert coupons, check your accounts. We do have digitals. I believe it's a 2 off 2, and this glitch is also working on the bar soap. I believe those are priced at $9 each, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the bar soaps. You're going to get back both of those register rewards. That's going to make your final price $2 for 2. However, I did have an issue with that coupon. I don't know what it is, but the registers at that store are just horrible. So it could have been the registers, but they did have to push that through for me. However, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Michelle. Her YouTube channel is called My Own Identity. She's also on Facebook and Instagram and all the things, because she gave us the heads up on this deal. I'm going to leave her video links in the pinned comment down below, because she has all the details on which scents are working with the paper coupon. She's just got all the details on this deal. She's done it multiple times at different stores. So like I said, big shout out and thank you to Michelle for giving us the heads up on that deal. And make sure that you guys head on over to her YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show her some love, and make sure that you check out, there's a couple of videos that she posted, a live video, as well as I think she did a pre-recorded video and a shorts video. Make sure that you watch all 3 of those if you want to go out and do this Dove deal. All right, so now we're going to take a quick look at the breakdowns for this deal. All right, guys, so here's a look at the breakdowns for the individual deals. There is the Colgate deal. Final price completely free plus a $2 moneymaker. The aluminum foil is on sale 2 for $2. There is the Irish Spring and the Dove deal if you guys want to screenshot that. I know for me it's just easier if I know the math of the individual deals, so hopefully that helps you guys out a little bit too. Now over here, the Scott deal, and we have the Palmolive deal. And make sure that you guys are scanning those receipts into Fetch Rewards. All right, now again, I do apologize for my chicken scratch, but I've got a lot going on today, guys, and there's just so much to get done. Plus, the kiddos are getting out early, so I've got to get to Dollar General for sure today. Plus, I'm going to try to get to Walgreens as well. So here's a quick look at the spend deal that I decided to do. I picked up 2 of the Irish Spring and 2 of the Dove men's. That put my subtotal at $23.98. I had to spend $15, get back $5 in Walgreens cash paper booster. So the coupons that I used was that 2 off 1 Irish Spring digital coupon, the 1 off 1 Irish Spring paper coupon, and the 4 off 2 Dove men's paper coupon. Paid $12.98, but I got back that $5 register reward for the Irish Spring. The cashier did end up ripping it up. However, I will get Walgreens cash instead, so just gotta deal with that. But it did in fact print off just fine. Then I got back 2 $4 register rewards on the Dove and $5 in Walgreens cash for the spin booster. Final price completely free plus a $5.02 moneymaker. Now, here's what I did on my second spin deal. Again, I had another spin 15, get back 5 paper booster. So I picked up 2 of the Scott bath tissue. Remember, they're on sale, buy one, get one half off, so $7.50. 2 of the Scott paper towels at $7.50. 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps at $5.98. That put my subtotal at $20.98. The coupons that I used was the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue digital coupon, the 1 off 1 Scott paper towel digital coupon, the 50-cent off 1 Palmolive digital coupon, and a $4 manufacturer register reward. I paid $14.48 out of pocket, but I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, $3 in Walgreens cash for the Palmolive. Then I also submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app because we do have a 1 off 1 coupon on there for the Scott bath tissue, and a 1 off 1 for the Scott paper towels, and a 50-cent off 1 for the Palmolive. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch. I got back 20 cents on there, and I'm tracking toward that $4 bonus. So final price for this transaction, $3.78 for 6 items. However, when I wrote this out, I forgot you got to count those register rewards as money spent. Well, some people do, some people don't. But if you do, final price would be $7.78 for all 6 products. Either way, it's a great deal. Super cheap paper products plus some dish soap, which we needed both for this household. So super excited about that. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comment section below which deals are you doing this week at Walgreens. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.